This is Builderall. Builderall is, like I said, it's a website builder. Let me see if I go up here and if I go to the apps. Okay, it's got all of these apps. It's got a website builder. It's got a funnel builder. It's got a chat builder. It's got a webinar builder. It's got an e-learning where you can make a course. I have a couple of courses that I have. An app builder, directory, booking, WordPress. If you're into e-commerce, Mailing Boss is the email list that you make an email list and an autoresponder that you can send out emails automatically and follow up. Or anyway, I'm not going to go through it, but it has like over 40 apps that you're getting. Everything you need to run an online business is in this tool. So people would be buying this tool every month. They would keep it. So how many sales can you make in a year? So like, let's say I'm the worst salesman in the year in the world. I'm a horrible salesman, and I can only do one sale a week. So I make one sale a week. Well, residual income down here is $1,100. Okay, so I'm going to get $1,100 residual income. I'm blocking the screen down here, but down here it says $1,100. I wish I could fix that. So anyway, down under my picture here, it's $1,100, and that's the residual income every month, because now they're paying every month for the program, right? So, but it's a recurring program. It's a two-tier program, the Builderall. So that when people come in under you, they see the value of Builderall. They're going to want to join Builderall and do the same thing you're doing, is sell it. And you're going to, on the one tier, just the first tier, you're going to get commissions off of what they do. So you're going to get a 30% commission off of what you sell and a 30% commission off of what they sell. So how many of those people out of the 52, when they saw the value of it and would want to promote it? And I'm going to say it's half, right? So it's like 25 people. And let's say, how many can each of those affiliates make in a year? Now this is a year's time, a year's gone by. I've done one sale a week for a year, and I've brought in 25 people that also want to do the same thing. How many? Let's say I'm a terrible coach, I'm a terrible salesman, so I teach them terribly how to be a salesman, and they only do one sale a month each. All right, now you can't see it, but it's 7,592 down here under my face here. Can you see it? No, you can't see it. It's under my face down here. $7,000, and that's every month. That's the power of recurring billing software and stuff like that, as far as affiliate marketing. Everybody's talking about affiliate marketing and using ads and making sales and following up with emails, but imagine if you made a sale one time and that person bought every month. Let's say the average they kept it was 2 years, right? It's more than that, because they're making money with the program, and once they get on it, they don't get off it. And but people do get off it. There's averages, right? And so, but you're always going to get new blood in, and but you just keep the averages together, and you're making that affiliate, that passive income. And you could be on the beach, you could be at the kids' game, you could be at home, you could be wherever you are with your family, enjoying life, and the affiliate marketing, affiliate commissions are coming in passively. It's pretty cool method. That's passive income. That's when people are talking about making money with your sleep, in your sleep, that's what they're talking about. So